Welcome to the video, guys. Today we're going to be making different colored flames using table salt and Epsom salt. The two fuel sources we're going to be using are methanol and ethanol. Methanol releases less fumes and also is more flammable than ethanol. The ionic compounds we're going to be using are sodium chloride and magnesium sulfate. Ionic compounds release different colors when burned, since when they are burned they go to a higher energy level and then they drop back down to ground state, releasing the excess energy as light. So this is the diagram for the different colors released by a hydrogen atom. As you can see, based on what energy level it's dropping from, it's going to release different colors. So if it goes from energy level 3 to 2 to ground state, it'll release red. And if it's at n equals 6 to n equals 2, then it releases a violet color. If you're doing this experiment, make sure to do it at a small and controllable scale. Also, make sure that your container of methanol or ethanol is far away from the fire. The equipment includes the fuel sources, which are ethanol. We'll be using hand sanitizer, which is 62% ethanol, and methanol. And then the ionic compounds, which we'll be burning, are sodium chloride, which is table salt, and magnesium sulfate, which we'll be using Epsom salt. So the way I'm going to be preparing these fires is by first putting some of the fuel in this metal cap I found. And so it's either going to be just squirting some of the hand sanitizer or pipetting some of the methanol in here. And then after that, I'm going to sprinkle in either some table salt or some Epsom salt. So this is a solution of just ethanol now. As you can see, it burns a blue color. Now this is just methanol now. It caught on fire way faster than the ethanol. But it's also a bright blue just like the ethanol. Now this is ethanol with sodium chloride. It's also a bright blue color, but it has a little bit of a yellow tint to it. Oh, and it made a change to completely yellow. Now this is methanol and sodium chloride. It's going to take some time for it to actually burn the sodium chloride, and then it should change colors. And now it's changed to a yellow color. Now we're burning ethanol and magnesium sulfate. It's starting off as blue, and it should make a change to a lighter color, lighter white color. Okay, it made a change to a yellow color. Now we're burning methanol and magnesium sulfate. Now that some of the magnesium sulfate is burning, there is some yellow tint to it, but it's still mostly blue, unlike the ethanol. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell if you enjoyed the video. Also, stay tuned for my next video where I extract caffeine from coffee using acetone.